see anything strange about this Nigel Gearsley with flames? Well, try looking at the card art. You guys see the series? That's right, it's in the World Grand Prix series when it's supposed to be in the All in All Blowout series back in 2014 where he was released. That's why I decided to make this card be an episode of Throwback Thursday. And I actually don't have this card, so this is going to be exciting for me. I have a couple of Nigel Gearsleys on the table right now, you guys. And you can even see Nigel Gearsley's pit crew. Nick Pit Tire was just released a while ago. Not a while, last year. Alright, I'll say it last year. Well, anyways, welcome guys to another episode of Throwback Thursday. It's episode 3. I know how much you guys miss Throwback Thursday, so I decided to post another Throwback Thursday. Comment down below what other Throwback Thursday videos you want. Throwback Thursday, I do anything, car reviews, games, any old games you guys want to suggest. Maybe play the first update of Minecraft. That can be interesting. So let me know in the comments below anything you want. And in my last video, the room tour, I recommend you guys to watch that video. I'll put that video in the description below along with the card suggestion pop up in the top right hand corner. And in that video, I displayed, you saw my display shelf, and I displayed my Piston Cup racers along with some next gens. And I said, which car does not belong here? And you guys got to see the whole shelf. And then I said that whoever guesses the car and says it in the comment section below, I will do a shout out for whoever gets the car right, and I will let them do a video request. And anyways, there was a winner. I just checked today, and it was Car Lambo 360. Thank you so much, Car Lambo 360. Shout out to Car Lambo 360. I really appreciate you participating in the event, the contest. Anyways, there was 3 other ones. I forgot their names. Anyways, I'll just put them on the screen right now. Some of them guessed Cruz Ramirez, some guessed Roscoe, and I think there was another. There were 2 people who guessed Rahul Saruel, but then Car Lambo was the first to say Rahul Saruel. Anyways, that is enough. Now let's get forward with the Throwback Thursday. Anyways, here we have Nigel Gearsley with flames, who is a brand new 2020 release. Well, not brand new 2020 release. Who is now in the 2020 release? Not who is a new release. He's not a new release. Well, I would say new from Thailand, because the old Nigel Gearsley with flames was made in China. So anyways, let's take a look at his packaging first. And by the way, this is the regular Nigel Gearsley, who was released way back before. He still looks brand new. He doesn't have that many chips on him or rust or anything. Anyways, I'm so happy to open up this Nigel Gearsley with flames, because I do not have this Nigel Gearsley with flames yet. Now let's start off with the packaging. They used the typical Nigel Gearsley art. They didn't change the art, like made it like there be fire here or something. Anyways, his card art looks great though, but they didn't change it. They should have changed it. But I'm saying that the animation is great. On the back here, the description reads, "The World Grand Prix will determine who is the fastest car in the world." Some other languages there, and here you have Rahul Saruel, Lightning McQueen, Francesco Bernoulli, and Shu Todoroki. I know it's been a while since I've done a car review. I think my last one may be my Disney World finds video. I know, I'm so sorry guys, but I couldn't find any cars, so I had to post some gaming videos for the past weeks. And there is a screenshot from Cars 2. See, he's in the World Grand Prix series. GPM, that might be another language for it. Made in Mattel. I will be opening this guy up, so I'll be back with you guys when Nigel Gearsley with flames is out of the package. So before we take a look at the die cast, Let me know in the comments below which one of these are your favorites. These are all the Nigel Gearsleys I have. I don't have that many. It's hard to find them for some reason. I've been looking for the other Nigel Gearsleys, like the neon Nigel Gearsley and some other ones, but I couldn't find them. And on eBay and Amazon, they were very expensive. I don't even think they were on Amazon. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Mine is definitely the Ice Racer because they even added, whoops, oh my. Hopefully it's not going to be like, there's going to be a chip or something. Let me check first. Remember in my funny moments I put me dropping Melissa burner brake? And that was not fun because I was so scared because I felt like I had a feeling that there would be a huge chip because of how big and big the drop was. I mean, do you guys remember that? So anyways, let's take a look at this. So the reason why I like this Nigel Gearsley is that they put like even the salt detailing here. You guys can see it. I don't know where my pencil went. I just lost it. I will find it for probably the next video, next car video I do or something. Well, anyways, you guys can see the wheels here. They even put like some snow everywhere. That's why I like this Nigel Gearsley a lot. And by the way, this video looks a lot brighter because there is a light turn on right on top of this, so that's why it's a little bit lighter. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this one or the old one better? Well, I personally like this one better because it's a lot brighter. So, and by the way, on the back there's Austin Littleton. I was about to say Autobahn, who is Max Chanel's team chief. So here is Austin Littleton. For some reason, he is not the same color as Nigel Gearsley. See, he's like a little bit lighter. And look at the packaging. He's like the same color as Nigel Gearsley. Oh, I keep on messing up on my words. He was released way back then, but not really way back then. But he is not too far. I'd say like 5 years. I'm not sure. I forgot when he was released, but I got him right before Cars 3, so I'm not sure. 2016 or 2015. You guys can even tell because the Cars Daredevil garage thing is here. Whatever it's called. I'm just gonna call it an icon or something. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, because I'm losing my sentences a lot over these past videos. If you guys have been noticing, I'm losing my words. I have no idea what's happening with me. Now let's take a look at Nigel Gearsley with flames. Let's put these cars in the back first. Now let's take a look at Nigel Gearsley with flames. Hold on, let me just check if I can find my pencil. I'm not sure I can find it. Might as well just get a new one. Well, anyways, let's just use my hands for this. Not a big deal anyways. So you do see like his expression is very good, because look at this Nigel Gearsley's expression. They changed it a lot. That's what I like about what Mattel and Pixar is doing these days. I don't know if it's Pixar. It's probably Disney, not Pixar. Pixar just animates the movies. Now let's take a look at the fire here. I would say that this fire is detailed because they did put like a yellow and orange, and then the tip of it's a little bit black. You guys can see, so it's a little bit black. So that's what I like about what they are doing today. They're putting a lot of effort in their cars, and he is number 9 for World Grand Prix. Let's take a look at the back now. It says World Grand Prix and says 9 there. Of course, no plate number because he is a race car. I love his spoiler though. His Probably one of my favorite spoilers in World Grand Prix. His tires are okay. They're like the tires that came with Nick Pit tire. They look the same, so that's what I like. The fire detailing is good on this side. Also, I would give the fire detailing an A+. See here, he was made on the 42nd week of 2019 in the A factory. Can't really see what the words say. I think it says Disney Pixar. Oh, there we go. Made in Thailand. He looks great. And the thing I like about Nigel the most is that his grill is very, very unique. I've never seen this grill before. It's like a little bit of a round trapezoid. Most of the time it's like squares or like, let's see, who can I get from here? Here, like here's Murphy. See, you guys can see the difference in the grills, like a rectangle. Some different grills out there. So that's why I like this grill. Even yellow hydraulic Ramon's grill. 2 grills. Oh wait, no, that's not a grill, that's his mustache. Then, yeah, the grill's here then. I really like yellow hydraulic Ramon. I think that's why there's so many views in that videos, because you guys might like yellow hydraulic Ramon a lot. Let's take a look at Austin Littleton and his pit crew first. So these guys were released, like I already told you before, and he was released. He was a new release actually, because he was canceled before. He was with Andrew Vrooman and Todd Crash and Mater with the 95 hat. That was one of my favorite cases, because I'm not sure why, but I actually like Andrew Vrooman. He's a great car, and I really like the Mater with 95 hat. But Todd Crash, he's okay, you know. We've seen other cars that look like him. And the thing that's weird is he's not even the same color as his team chief. You guys can see it a little bit. Sorry guys about the blue on the bottom of the screen. Let me just take that out a little bit. I don't know why it does this. Probably some error or something. See, he's not like the same color, and even though this car is made in Thailand and this car is made in China, there is no I plate. Wait, let me just check. Is it made in China or is it made in Thailand? I don't even know. Oh, yep, made in China. And this is made in Thailand. Did I say made in China for this or made in Thailand? I'm not sure. I think I just have to rewind the video when this is done. But I'm pretty sure I said this is made in Thailand. So that would be very little weird. Anyways, Car Lambo 360, you get to request whatever video you want me to do. Make sure it's appropriate video that I can actually do, not like something that is bad for me, like something that will take me to jail. But yeah, so don't tell me to do those stuff. Like a proper video, like maybe like a Minecraft Skyblock or something. Anything that is fun for me and fun that maybe fun that you might like. Another vlog or something. Well, probably not another vlog, because it's hard for me to go on Disney World vlogs, because you know how expensive it is to go to Disney World. It costs a lot. I'm not telling you the exact price, because I don't know it, but I don't know it costs a lot, over $1,000, of course, because it just has to. If it doesn't, then that doesn't make sense. That's probably like Disneyland or something. But I'm sure that Disney World is very, very expensive. Anyways, does anyone here know what happened to Cars Daredevil Garage? I missed that game. Let me know in the comments below, because I went in the App Store today and I searched up Cars Daredevil Garage and just wasn't there anymore. So I'm a little bit confused where Cars Daredevil Garage went. Anyway, let me know in the comments section below. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. It's already getting too long. 10 minutes. That's a little bit too long for a regular Disney Pixar Cars review. This was Throwback Thursday episode 3. What do you guys want Throwback Thursday episode 4 to be? Let me know in the comments section below. Anyway, so that is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Bye now.